The DJI Mavic 3 was designed with 3 camera lenses instead of 2, which affirms that this drone can shoot in 360 degrees, and that's something no other drone has achieved. Aside from these characteristics, the Mavic 3 Pro boasts additional features, which makes the drone an exception in the market. If you're interested in what the Mavic 3 Pro does, then delve with us into this video. First and foremost, the DJI Mavic 3 is the latest version in the DJI's popular drone series. DJI Mavic 3 has entirely reinvented what is possible with a lightweight and highly portable drone, re-establishing DJI as the world's leading drone company. The drone was designed with both beginners and advanced drone fanatics in mind, so it is easier to fly due to features like gesture controls and obstacle avoidance. So as the DJI Mavic 3 drone flies, it identifies every block in its way and avoids it. As a matter of fact, the Mavic 3 Pro can sense its environment with the Advanced Pilot Assistance System, which we will soon highlight, so stick with us. The DJI Mavic Pro 3 comes in 2 models, Standard and SIN, with the SIN being the more expensive and premium variant. The SIN differs from the others in that it has a built-in 1 TB SSD instead of 8 GB of internal storage, and it includes a smart controller with an integrated LCD touchscreen. Nonetheless, the 2 models were highly constructed with foldable designs and improved flight times by aerodynamic design. There was lots of noise about the Mavic Pro 3 after its release on social media, and this particular statement from a user on Facebook defined the Mavic 3. Honestly, I enjoy stitching together short clips of places where I visit and posting them on social media. But let me say that after spending a week with the Mavic 3, it cements the idea that it's unquestionably the flagship drone in DJI's Mavic series. Well, there you have it. After spending time flying with the DJI Mavic 3, you will significantly feel its benefit. Moving forward, the Mavic Pro 3, like all Mavic models, has a folding construction that makes it portable when not in use. Do you prefer to have a drone that you can easily fold and move around? If you do, then give this video a thumbs up. In addition, both models of the DJI Mavic 3 drone include a micro SD card slot, allowing you to enhance the amount of storage accessible. You can take a lot of pictures and videos with your Mavic Pro 3 without worrying about where to keep them. In essence, you'll have stunning photographs and videos to keep because of the Mavic Pro 3 camera features we will discuss soon, so stay tuned. In addition, the new battery's capacity has been doubled to 5,000 mAh, allowing for up to 46 minutes of flight time or a distance of 18.6 miles when there's no wind. Due to the twin Hasselblad camera, the camera is more extensive than those found on earlier Mavic models. Manual and automatic focusing are both supported by the DJI Mavic 3 drone. The camera defaults to autofocusing, which adjusts focus based on distance from the subject. For still photography, this camera offers the same shooting modes as a mirrorless or DSLR camera, including the capacity to shoot in both JPEG and RAW mode, giving photographers many options. Thanks to a dual camera with 2 unique sensors and lenses performing different roles, the Mavic Pro 3 consequently is the most spectacular and capable Mavic series drone to date. DJI Global tweeted on their account after DJI Mavic 3 was released into the market that DJI Mavic 3 isn't an evolution, it's a revolution. What's more, the Mavic 3 is a responsive drone in the air, capable of flying up to 47 miles per hour in sport mode. Normal mode is the most often used mode for a more relaxed flight, and SIN mode allows even lower speed and control sensitivity to help capture more cinematic video footage. Whether you're a complete novice or a veteran drone pilot, the automated flight modes and safety features, as well as the convenience of operation, make flying this drone a breeze. In terms of safety features, the Mavic Pro 3 connects to GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou satellites and utilizes a new location algorithm that's supposed to increase hovering precision with less drift. The Mavic 3 also has an Advanced Pilot Assistance System, a PAS 5.0, which combines 6 fisheye sensors and 2 wide-angle sensors to perceive obstacles in all directions and enables obstacle avoidance. When activated, you can program the drone to fly around obstacles on its own. The DJI Mavic 3 is a great drone for those who want something easy to fly, but still has enough power for more advanced users. The new design, foldable arms, and video transmission improvements are great additions to an already excellent drone. The Mavic Pro 3 is worth purchasing if you are looking for a top-of-the-line drone. If you found this video informative, share it with any of your friends who have a great interest in drones. Thanks for watching.